Banu Prakash, I gave you permission. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Welcome back. Yes. Welcome back, students. Complete the figure and please let me know so that we'll draw the normal and tangent and complete it. Procedure for three figures is same. For the first attempt, you will not get the curve neatly, right? You need to try two to four times drawing it. Then you will get perfect. Right? So I suggest everyone consider drawing the figure for 3 to 4 times, all the three figures. If you practice for once and if you are perfect in it, that skill will live with you forever. So keep that in mind. Just each curve, it will take hardly 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes, right? Maximum time is 5 minutes, right? So consider that. So completed. Students say yes or no. Only few students are responding. What about others? Okay. Okay. Completed. So let us take now listen carefully the construction of normal and tangent. Let us take a point on the a point P on the curve. You select a point P anywhere on the curve. So I have taken in between P2 and P3. Okay. Now next, join that point to F. Join PF. We'll get PF inclined line. Okay. Now to this line, we draw a perpendicular line. You know how to draw, I explained in the previous class, right? Fix your drafter longer scale to this, align it, and fix your knob. So this is the inclined line. Now this will be perpendicular line. So from F, you draw a perpendicular line to PF line. So wherever that PF line, sorry, wherever this perpendicular line cuts your directrix, you name that point as P. Now join TP and extend. That will be your tangent. And we know that the tangent and normal are always perpendicular. Now you align your drafter scale to tangent and fix. This will be your perpendicular line, normal. So normal is NM and tangent is TS. So these both will be also perpendicular. Okay. That is the procedure for construction of normal and tangent. Now I'll give the attendance. Dimension. Okay, once again explain tangent. To select a point P anywhere on the curve, join that point to F, draw PF line. Okay, now to this PF line, draw a perpendicular line from F. To this line, perpendicular line from F. So wherever that perpendicular line cuts your directrix, you name that point as T. Join TP and extend. Write S. So this TS is your tangent. To this TS, to your tangent, you draw the perpendicular line from P. That will be your normal. Okay. So next I am giving dimension. So no problem. If you ask n number of times, I will explain n number of times. If you not understand, you can ask once again. This is 50. Since you all are taking 50, I am writing 50, though I have taken 25. And after that, we are supposed to write name. What is it? Lip. Now, complete the figure. Any doubt, please ask. And meanwhile, I will take attendance. Please give your
Sir,
attendance.
once again explain tangent and normal.
See, listen carefully. Tangent, you select a point P anywhere on the curve, right? So this is the point P. Join that P to F. You will get an inclined line. You get a PF line. To this PF line, you draw a perpendicular line from F. To this inclination, you draw a perpendicular line or 90 degrees line from F, like this. So wherever that perpendicular line cuts your tangent, name that point as T, join T, P and extend. That will be your tangent. And to your tangent, the normal will be always perpendicular. So to this tangent, you draw a perpendicular line from point P. That will be your normal. So give your attendance. 401.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3. 3. Rule number 15, you can stop recording.